Let's make restaurant-style chicken karahi.
Cooking oil, cardamom. Sauté it for a few seconds. Chicken, 1 kilogram. Shallow fry it on medium flame.
It's done.
Ginger garlic paste. Sauté it until golden, on medium flame. Yogurt. Fresh tomatoes. Now cover with lid and cook for 5 minutes on low flame. Remove the tomato peels. Sauté it until excess water is dried. Dried coriander, cumin, salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder, ground spices, green chilies, add half glass of water. Cover with lid and cook for 5 minutes on low flame.
It's ready to serve.